Hey guys, Marco here at Fully Loaded Cars, and what we're about to do is we're going to reinforce the rear strut towers because we're going to cut the casing away. So we're going to reinforce them so they don't move out of place. And also, what we're going to be doing, we'll have to relocate the fuel filler cap. As it is now, the new inner wings will hit it. So what we're going to do is relocate the flap about 10 centimeters back, so that flap will be here. So yeah, we'll show you how we do that. Hi guys, so today we're back on the SLC. As you know, we work on multiple projects in this workshop in one go. And in our previous video, it will show us putting the air ride on the Rover P2. So check that out, links down below. And today what I'm going to be doing is filling in this section here. We've removed the fuel filler cap. Reason being is we need to make the inner wheel well. And this will interfere with that, so we're going to relocate this to here. But first I need to fill in this section, so that's what we're doing today, so keep tuned. Okay, so we've cut out a template, and what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to mark the swage line and replicate the swage line onto this piece of cardboard, and then see if it fits. And if it fits, I'll replicate the same one on a piece of steel. filler panel we've made to replace the fuel filler cap, as you can see. All matches up now. So all I need to do to this is cut it to shape and weld it into that hole. So that's what I'll do next. Welcome back after the time lapse. As you can see, the hole's now been filled, and what we'll do after this is make the inner arch. Once the inner arch is made, we'll be able to determine the new place for the new location for the fuel filler cap, which will be around here. But that'll be in a later video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember to do all the click, subscribe, comment stuff down, and all the links are down below. So please do that so our channel grows. And yeah, we'll see you next time. And remember, we're always building dreams.